Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Trupti, and we are here for our morning maths class. So, children, let's get started. I hope by now you are able to see my screen. Yeah. All right. So, today we are going to do, we are going to know about the difference between division and wait. We are going to know about fractions only here. And here we will be doing multiplication versus division. On one side, there is multiplication, and on the other side, there will be division. Let's do a rigorous exercise this time. As I said, on one side, there will be multiplication, on the other, there will be division. So let's do them all together. 2 by 5 times 3 by 4, and it is 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 4. So how to do it? You know that in multiplication, we multiply the numerators, and in the denominators, we multiply the denominator by the denominator. Okay, so 2 times 3, and in the denominator, it's 5 times 4. 2 times 3 is 6, and 5 times 4 can be written as 5 times 2 times 2. Cancelling 2 and 2, it's 3 by 10. Yeah? So 3 by 10 is the answer. Either you can do like this, or you can simply do like 2 times 3 is 6, 5 times 4 is 20. But then you have to simplify it. Like it will be again the same thing, 2 times 3. And here it will be 4 times 5, but 4 will again be split into, 2 times 2. So this is the way. Okay, now moving on to the division, it's 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 4. How do we do it? 2 by 5, like that only. Do you remember those 3 steps? Keep, change, changing the division sign into the sign of multiplication. And this is flip or the reciprocal. So keeping 2 by 5 like that only. Division sign will change into the sign of multiplication, and 3 by 4 will be written as 4 by 3. So 2 times 4 and 5 times 3. 2 times 4 is 8, 5 times 3 is 15. Right? Now, moving on to the next question. 3 by 5 times 6 by 7. And on the other side, you have to divide that. Let's do it. Children, as you know, this is a live session. The ones who have joined the live session, I would request all of them to please, uh, you know, answer in the live chat box so that I can have a look at that. Okay. And if you have any doubts, any queries related to the topic that we are doing, please let me know in the chat box. And the ones who will watch it later, they have the option of that comment section. Please comment. And if you have any doubt, let me know. Let's multiply 3 by 5 times 6, 3 by 5 times 6 by 7. So 3 by 5, 3 times 6, and 5 times 7. 3 times 6, 18. 5 times 7 is 35. So it's 18 by 35. And here, keeping 3 by 5 like that only, division will say change into the sign of multiplication, and 6 by 7 is 7 by 6. So 3 times 7 is 21, 5 times 6 is 30. This is the answer. So 18 by 35, and here 21 by 30. So in division, there is actually no such division, just multiplication. But yeah, you have to do the reciprocal. Okay, so today we are going to practice the questions like this only, one side division, on the other side multiplication, and both the fractions will be same. We will see what difference we get in the answers. So 3 by 10 times 5 by 6, let's do it. I want you to answer first, you to do it side by side, and then I will do it on the board. Okay, So 3 times 5 is 30. 10 times 6 is 60. Now 3 by 10 as it is, changing division into multiplication. 5 by 6 will be 6 by 5. 18 by 50. Now let me tell you how we can reduce or how we can simplify it. This is 3 times, or maybe I can say 30 times 1. This is 30 times 2. 30, 30 cancel. 1 by 2 is the answer. Wait. I'm so sorry here. 1 second. It's 3 by 5 is 15 and 10 by 6 is 60. I wrote 30 there by mistake. I'm so sorry for that. 3 times 5 is 15, 10 times 6 is 60. And here 3 by 10, division will change into multiplication. It is 6 by 5. 18 by 50. Now, how we can reduce it? 15 by 60. 15 times 1 is 15. 15 times 4 is 60. Right? So 15 cancel. It's 1 by 4. Now, 18 by 50 can be written as, first we will try by 2. 2 times 9 is 18 and 2 times 25 is 50. So I can write it as 9 by 25. Okay? All right, let's go to the next one. Over here, 4 by 10 times 1 by 6 and 4 by 10 divided by 1 by 6. Let's do it. I hope it's done. So here we have 4 times 1 is 4. 10 times 6 is 60. 4 by 10 times 6 by 1, because we did the reciprocal of 1 by 6, which is 6 by 1. So 4 by 60 can be written as 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 15 is 60. 4 cancel, it's 1 by 15. Okay? I hope you got the same answer. Now here 4 times 6 is 24 and 10 here. I can write it as 2 times 12 and 2 times 5. So 12 by 5. That's the answer. Let's go on to the next one. Five by 9 times 1 by 3 and 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3. So here 5 by 9 times 1 by 3. 5 times 1 is 5. 9 times 3 is 27. Here 5 by 9 as it is. Division will change into the sign of multiplication. 1 by 3 is 3 by 1 now. 5 times 3 is 15. 9 times 1 is 9. So this is the answer for multiplication and this for division. But this can further be simplified. I can write it as 3 times 5 is 15 and 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 5 by 3. Got it? Okay, let's move on. 3 by 14 times 2 by 5 and 3 by 14 divided by 2 by 5. Come on, dear children, let's do it. I hope it's done. So 3 times 2 is 6. 14 times 5, 70. So 6 by 70, we will simplify. I can write it as, okay, so I can write it as 2 times 3 and 2 times 35. Yeah? So here 2 cancel and I got 3 by 35. Let me show you in the other way as well. It's like 3 times 2 and 14 can be written as 2 times 7 times 5 here. 2 cancel. 3 by 35 is the answer. In both the ways, you will get the same answer. Okay? And here, 3 by 14, division will change into the multiplication. 2 by 5 will be 5 by 2. Now again, I will do like 3 times 5 is 15. 14 times 2 is 28. 15 by 28. That's the answer for division of the same fraction. Moving on to the next question. 4 by 11 divided by 2 by 9 and 4 by 11 times 2 by 9. Okay, now let's do it. 4 by 11 times 2 by 9. 4 times 2 is 8. 11 times 9 is 99. 4 by 11 like that, keeping, changing, and reciprocal. 9 times 4 is 36. 11 times 2 is 22. I need to simplify it. And how can I do it? I'll do it by 2. 2 times 18 is 36 and 2 times 11 is 22. So it's 18 by 11. Another way of doing it is 4 can be written as 2 times 2. Actually, it was like this way. So here, I'm solving it in the other way. 4 times 9 and 11 times 2. How can I write 4 is 2 times 2 times 9 and 11 times 2. So 2 cancel. 2 times 9 is 18 and in the denominator it's 11. Both the ways are correct. Either you simplify first or you first multiply and then simplify. Both the ways are correct. You will get the same answer. Okay? Moving on to the next question. 5 by 16 times 1 by 4 and 5 by 16 divided by 1 by 4. Let's do it now. So 5 times 1 is 5. 6, then in the denominator is 16 times 4. That is 64. And this cannot be further simplified. Let's do this part. 5 by 16 times 4 by 1. So 5 times 4 is 20. 16 times 1 is 16. Let's simplify it. So I can write 20 as 2 times 10. And 2 times 8 is 16. Cancel, cancel. 10 by 8. This can be further simplified. 2 times 5 and 2 times 4. So 2 cancel. This is 5 by 4. Another way of doing it is over here. 5 times 4, in the denominator it's 16 times 1. I can write 5 and times 4. Here 4 can be written as 2 times 2. Here 16 can be written as 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16 times 1. So 2 2s are cancelled. 5 times 5 by 2 times 2, that is 5 by 4. Or how you can do it, just the way I have written 16 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, you can simply write it as 4 times 4. I'll show you. 5 times 4, 16 can be written as 4 times 4 times 1. So 4 cancelled, it's 5 by 4. It's on you how you split the numbers, how you write the numbers, or how you open up the numbers. It's totally on you. So the answer in whatever case will be similar. Okay, you can see that. Let's go to the next question. 7 by 12 times 3 by 5 and 7 by 12 divided by 3 by 5. Okay, now let's solve it. These questions are very, very easy and hardly takes 10 to 15 seconds. So 7 times 3 is 21. 12 times 5 is 60. Simple. Here, how can I simplify it? It's 3 times 7 and 3 times 20. Okay, so the answer is 7 by 20. 7 by 20. And if I talk about the division of fractions, 7 by 12 as it is, multiplication sign, 3 by 5 will be 5 by 3. 7 times 5 is 35. 12 times 3 is 36. 35 by 36. So 35 by 36 is the answer here. And these two fractions cannot be simplified any further. Next question, 5 by 14 times 2 by 9 and 5 by 14 divided by 2 by 9. Okay, so moving on here, let's solve this. 5 times 2 is 10. And 14 times 9, 9 times 36, 9, 126. 5 times 2 and 14 times 9. This can be simplified. So let's see if I can simplify it here. 5 times 2 and 14 can be written as 2 times 7 and 9 as it is. So 2, 2 cancel. 5 here. 7 times 9 is 63. Okay, and if I want to simplify this, okay, here I got this answer. And if I want to simplify this, how will I do it? 2 times 5. Okay, and then again, you have to do the same thing, 2 times 7 times 9. So you can say that this is the answer, the first one, 5 by 63. Because then I have to do by 2. Okay, I'll show you. Wait. Okay, 2 times 5 and 2 times 63. 2, 2 cancel, 5 by 63 is the answer. If I talk about this one, 5 by 14, division will change into multiplication, 9 by 2. 9 times 5 or 5 times 9 is 45. 14 times 2 is 28. Cannot be further simplified. I hope you got the same answer. So children, that's all for our today's class. You did well. I hope you understood all the concepts, everything that we have done today. Like you now know, by now you know what is the difference between division of fractions and what is the difference between multiplication of fractions. How do we do that? In division, ultimately we go to multiplication only, but you just have to do the reciprocal and change the sign. That is just a step. So that's all for our today's class. Once again, thank you so much for joining the class. I'll see you in the next class. By the time, take care and keep practicing. Bye-bye, everyone. Enjoy your day.